People shouting it.
If it's
She's
the,
lying, there's pages of violations.
We can't have people shouting out, Madam Chair.
if it's the applicant's position that the township of Carnarvon and its residents don't need to be concerned about Vanguard Renewables operation because they do this and they do this well, that may very well be true and accurate, but the Township of Carnarvon Planning Commission would like to verify that information.
I would just say the testimony was that there was no odor complaints that they were aware of. In terms of other compliance, this witness said she does not have that knowledge. I mean, if
Right, and my question then was, who would have it? And the witness testified somebody on the compliance team. And then my follow-on question was, will you commit to providing that information to us at the next hearing session?
I think the line of questioning was concerning violation of permits that have been issued by other state agencies, essentially. My guess is that the board would be interested in that information, and that would be probative.
Well, so I'm sorry, there are two issues here. Complaints, and anyone can complain about anything, and I do want to be respectful of the applicant and recognize that just because somebody complains about something doesn't mean that there's an actual issue. If there are permit compliance issues, that rises, at least from my perspective, to a higher level than just, respectfully, a neighbor complaining.
If we can get that information.
Okay, great.
Okay.
So you testified that the facility will comply with all required permits and approvals, correct?
Yes.
Can you tell us again what that universe of permits is?
We will have an air permit with the DEP. We will have a solid waste permit with the DEP as well, a water quality management permit through the DEP, an NPDES permit, an HOP permit for the driveway. All of these permits, the requirement is that local zoning be obtained before we're able to be issued any of those, so we don't have any of those at the moment.
Understood. With regard to the excuse me.
And let me just stop you there. I don't know how much longer you have with the witness, Attorney Gill. I don't know if supervisors need to take a break or a court reporter does. It's been over 2 hours. What's your feeling, supervisors?
I can say that we have a lot of detail. Making sure that the I's are dotted and T's are crossed is very important to the Planning Commission. So we definitely want to make sure that we have the operational witness here and we make sure we understand in some level of granularity your testimony.
Understood. Then I think everybody wants to take a break. Madam Chair, how long do you want to take this break? Let's give it a time certain to return then. Do you want to say 8:55? 8:55, we'll go back on the record then.